5 signs your body is crying for help. Have you ever felt that your body is trying to tell you something? It may start as a whisper, such as a dull morning headache, or an energy slump in the afternoon. Other times the signals are not so subtle, manifesting themselves as digestive problems, skin breakouts, insomnia, and more. 1. Waking up tired. Waking up tired and exhausted after 8 hours of sleep, often the result of stress. While sleeping for 7 to 8 hours peacefully at night should provide the regenerative and restorative benefits you need, it is also important that the sleep is good quality sleep. If you are getting at least 7 hours of sleep and still waking up tired, this could be an indication your quality of your sleep could be better. Try the following tips to improve sleep quality. Use a natural sleep aid, such as Dream, that includes ingredients that promote deep and restorative sleep. Use essential oils such as lavender in a diffuser in your bedroom or on your pillow to induce sleep. Avoid caffeine in the evening. Avoid viewing screens of TV, computers, etc. a couple of hours before going to bed. 2. Dry skin and skin rashes. Dry skin may indicate vitamin E deficiency, and skin rashes may signal that your body is under stress. Try the following remedies to ease stressed out skin. Avoid eating dairy and excessive sugar, as they may promote inflammation. Eat more of vegetables, nuts, fish and oils, and include omega-3 supplements in your diet. Increase your intake of foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, green vegetables, and bell peppers.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
3. Short temperament, irritability, and insomnia. If you have become irritable and short-tempered recently, this could be another sign that your body needs help. Insufficient rest is a huge factor to consider if you're feeling more irritable than usual. It may also indicate that your body is lacking in minerals potassium and magnesium. Try the following tips to calm yourself. Do meditation to calm your mind. Incorporate breathing exercises for an even more powerful effect. Consider taking a supplement such as Zen that contains ashwagandha and magnesium. Limit your intake of alcohol and caffeine. Focus on consuming whole foods instead of processed foods. 4. Digestive problems. People often dismiss digestive issues. However, if you experience symptoms of gas, diarrhea, constipation, or bloating regularly, then it is a sign that your body needs help. Imbalance of gut bacteria can be caused by many factors, from medication to toxins in the products we use daily. Try the following to resolve your digestive issues. Take supplemental prebiotics, digestive enzymes, and probiotics to maintain the health of the good bacteria of your gut. Consume foods rich in probiotics and prebiotics, such as sauerkraut, kombucha, garlic, and asparagus. Ensure that you drink plenty of water. 5. Brittle nails and hair. Brittle nails and hair are a telltale sign that your body is not thriving, and the deficiency of essential vitamins and nutrients in the body may be to blame. Take a look at your diet and see if you're lacking in any of these 4 critical nail and hair nutrients: protein, zinc, biotin, and vitamin A.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.